Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Today we are presenting a new video that is how to reset Tenda A9 Wi-Fi range extender. Resetting the Tenda A9 extender is easy and short process. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to reset your Tenda A9 extender back to its factory settings. So don't miss out this video. Firstly, we will discuss why it is necessary to reset the Tenda A9 Wi-Fi range extender. Resetting the Tenda A9 Wi-Fi extender is necessary to resolve connectivity issues, clear any configuration errors, and restore the device to its factory settings. This ensures optimal performance and allows for reconfiguration. First of all, find the small reset button on the side or back of the extender. It's usually a tiny hole labeled Reset. Now take a paperclip or sharp pin. Use a paperclip or a similar object to press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LED indicators start to flash. Let go of the button once the LEDs begin flashing. The extender will reboot and reset to its factory default settings. Note, once the extender has finished rebooting, it will be restored to its factory default settings. You will need to reconfigure it by following the initial setup process, either through the web interface or the setup using Tenda A9's default login details. Now reset process is successfully complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.